Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn Java completely from ChatGPT, but now actually no longer completely from ChatGPT, because today we're introducing the new Gemini Ultra, which I'm very lucky to have. So right now I'm working on a project for a checkers game, so it's not actually teaching me, but what I would like to do is run my code. And so far, if you look at my code result, let's give it a sec. It's not really what I wanted it to be. I wanted to have them to have like white ones here and black ones at the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna look into a little closer to that, but I'd like to see if the Gemini Ultra will be able to figure out why this is wrong. So first, I'm just gonna give it the code. I'll say, hey, explain what this code does. So let's see how it answers. This code defines a chessboard. It imports public class, creates a 2D array, sets the squares codes based on positioning. Okay, paint component method, get board method. The piece class not defined in this code snippet. Okay, but let's look more into this. This part initializes the piece color to white, sets the colors based on its positioning, calculates the square's position, creates a piece object for block squares, alternating between rows. Okay, so let's look into this and see what's happening. So let's look into this, and first of all, set defined as red. Yeah, that is what's happening. Somehow we're getting red ones there and white ones there, which obviously is not what we want to happen. Idea is that maybe it's going vertically down, not horizontally, like basically up to down, left to right, instead of left to right, up down. So let's kind of look into this a little bit more. Tell me what's wrong if this is supposed to set up a checkerboard. So let's see how well it can answer the prompt. It's actually taking quite a bit to answer. Oh. Does create a visually appealing checkerboard pattern. It has some inaccuracies. So I'll ask, give me an image of a standard checkers setup. See how it does. Will it actually generate the image? Will it go on Google? I'm kind of curious. Let's see. So black is in the bottom left corner. So yeah, black is in the bottom left corner, so maybe that's wrong. But I'm also pretty confused why we get this whites and then reds. It might be that I'm just completely misunderstanding the logic. A square is null. It's always false. Wait, what? Oh. Or, this should be an or. I'm so stupid. Anyways, let's run this. This should hopefully not crash our whole program. And yeah, so far we have something like this. And yep, everything broke. Things are making a little bit more sense, but things are really screwed up still. Oh, and it works now! Yay! Okay. But let me make sure this actually matches the checkerboard. So yeah, I think this is successful. So I'm gonna ask it to check my code. Okay, this code runs. should I get a valid checkerboard? And if it answers me wrong, then either I screwed up or it screwed up. Should now results. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I was able to figure out my geniusness, and also I think I was struggling a little bit with how this was working exactly. Anyways, this is kind of a sneak peek of what I'm getting from Gemini. It's hard to compare how it's been doing because it's not actually been teaching me that much, but it's been giving pretty good feedback and being able to tell when I got stuff correctly. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hope you subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Anyways, bye bye.